AQST stock, aquestive therapeutics Inc. It closed the session of the 16th of August 2021 at $3.82, a retracement of 2.8%. And what we have is that it has a market cap of $148.5 million, 38.886 million shares outstanding. It could be different for the application you're using to find these figures. So what we are easily looking at is that the underlying trend for AQST is a bearish one. Now the stock has been retracing for some time now, and sometime in May of this year, 2021, it reached approximately roughly on the 13th of May. It reached this low of about $3.29, and we now saw some. I mean, that was at that point it was evidently trading below all of its moving averages. It was a good opportunity for people to get involved. It did get involved, and it just broke through the 10-day moving average, and that trend tended to continue. It reached a high of $4.4, but since that time it has continued to retrace, and yet again, as at the 3rd of August, it reached another low. It wasn't really as low. I think it may be as low, if a lower low, I think. You have $30.2, and that opportunity came again, and people got involved. So since that time now, it has been consolidating. Pretty much the entire trading sessions of August, this month August of 2021, it's been consolidating, at the same time gradually extending. So I think either the analysts or the humans or the traders are referring to this upward trend that started in May as an indication that it can really reverse this bearishness it has had. So they're probably trying to test that again to see if a much more sustained and much more significant trend will come out, a much more significant bullish trend will come out from AQST. So all in all, I think if you want to get involved with the stock, it's consolidating right now, even though at the same time the signals are a lot more bullish, but it's consolidating and just gradually rallying within a longer term bearish trend. So if you want to pick up some positions in the stock, by all means, do so, gradually and carefully, just being very much aware that there's a good chance it will retrace and pull back. So if you look, I think all in all, since this month, it's very much bearish. Very much bullish. I think. Let's see how many lows it has had. 1, 2, 3. I think pretty much 3 out of the lot of this month. So yeah, pretty much 3 or thereabouts. So I think all in all, it's looking very good. It's looking, I mean, based on that count, it's just an arbitrary count. Based on that, amongst other things, you can just, like I said earlier on, pick up a few positions and see how things go. But there's a good chance that it might retrace again. It's not, the signals are not so wonderful. Let's go down and see what the RSI is saying. The RSI is saying it's at 54.28. Not so bad. Not that bad as such. But it's just very, very, what you would expect from a stock that is consolidating at the moment. So by all means, see what you can make of it. The readout here says it appears to be consolidating within a longer term downtrend. The average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have traded sideways recently. However, that 200-day moving average is still sloping bearishly lower. It's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for shares. The volume for the session of the 16th of August was lighter than usual, trading 376,021 shares versus an average of 809,657 per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term selling pressure has given way to near term accumulation by traders. Yes, we, based on what we have seen so far, since August, it's been improving. That's why we have that the unbalanced volume indicator and the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is very much bullish. So, but all in all, at the same time, just be careful. It's not a very strong. All those indicators are bullish, but the trend itself is not a very strong one. So as usual, as I indicated earlier on, just be careful, know what you're doing. If you want to pick up positions, pick up, but there's a good chance it will also look back. There's a good chance it will retrace again, because the underlying trend is a bearish one, and they do matter. The machines they have that in their memory. So okay, so see what you make of AQST stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.